In your daily use, you may experience iPhone sound not working. This results in you not hearing the alarm or ringing, causing you to miss important things. So how to fix iPhone sound not working? This video will help you fix it with 12 ways. Check speaker. Remove all screen protectors, films, or cases from your iPhone. Check the speaker to see if it's dirty. Clean the speaker with a small, soft bristled brush. Contact Apple support. Go to Settings. Sounds or Sounds and Haptics. Drag the ringer and alert slider back and forth a few times. If you don't hear any sound, or if your speaker button on the ringer and alert slider is dimmed, your speaker might need support from Apple after-service team. Use Joyoshare UltFix. If you don't want to check the software causes of no sound on your phone one by one, use Joyoshare UltFix. Joyoshare UltFix can fix various iOS system problems quickly and easily, without data loss. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Click iOS System Repair. Click Start. Choose Standard Repair. Click Download to download and verify the firmware package. Click Start Standard Repair to fix iPhone sound not working. Finished. Turn off silent mode. Check the mute switch. The color orange indicates that the switch is set to silent mode. Push the switch toward the screen to enable sound. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Open the control center. Select Do Not Disturb. Move the toggle switch to the off position. Disable Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth so sounds play from the iPhone rather than Bluetooth connected device. Check third-party app sound settings. Many third-party apps offer customized volume and mute sound settings. Turn off any mute options in the app. Check notification settings for the app. Open the Settings app and tap Notifications. If the Allow Notifications is set to off, the alert is silent. Turn it on. Exit headphone mode. Plug in and remove the headphones. It could be the iPhone is stuck in headphone mode. Restart iPhone. You know, restarting your iPhone can solve most problems. Reset all settings. Go to Settings. General. Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset. Reset all settings. Update iOS system. An iOS update might fix a sound problem. Check for any system software updates from Apple, then download and install the available updates.